In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company in Hubstaff. We'll walk through creating your organization, selecting goals, choosing how your team tracks time, and inviting your members so you can start capturing time and managing work right away. Begin on the Hubstaff dashboard. From here, add a new organization. This opens the Setup wizard, where you'll create your organization. Confirm to create it, and you'll move straight into the details that shape your account. Enter your organization name. Use the exact name your team recognizes. Consistent naming keeps reports and invoices clear. Add your company website as well. A valid URL helps teammates and clients identify your workspace, and it can appear in certain communications, so accuracy matters. Next, choose how big your team is. This doesn't lock you in, it simply helps Hubstaff tailor defaults and recommendations. Once that's set, continue to the next screen. Now select your goals for using Hubstaff. You can pick more than one. Options include tracking time and viewing what your team is working on, enabling screenshots to provide visibility, understanding productivity to improve performance, setting time off policies and managing overtime, paying your staff, tracking projects with cost and budgeting, or simply exploring if you're not ready to commit. Choose what reflects how you plan to work, then proceed. Decide how you want your team to track time. The desktop app is the standard choice for accurate time and optional activity data. All platforms is helpful if your workforce spans different operating systems and needs flexibility. The Silent app runs in the background for teams that require unobtrusive tracking. Pick the option that matches your policy and privacy expectations and move forward. Invite your team. You can start by inviting a manager who will help oversee projects and approvals, or go straight to inviting users. Add members by entering their email addresses so they receive a direct invitation, or generate a secure invite link to share with multiple people at once. Before you send, consider who needs manager permissions versus member access and include a short message so they know what to do next. When everything looks right, finish the setup. If you land on the plans page, you can choose to pick a plan later and continue evaluating features. That's it, your company is created, your preferences are in place, and your team can begin tracking time and contributing to your projects.